Welcome to Best Choice. The best cage nuts and screws are probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in building reliable and secure electronic enclosures, server racks, and various other equipment setups, ensuring that your valuable hardware stays firmly in place and protected from accidental dislodging or vibration-related loosening, which can lead to costly damage or downtime. Number 5. XOOL M6 Rack Mount Cage Nuts and Screws Kit. Introducing the XOOL M6 Rack Mount Cage Nuts and Screws Kit, your all-in-one solution for securely mounting server cabinets, shelves, and AV devices. It's designed for universal compatibility with all square-hole racks. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, these nuts and screws offer exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and durability. They are built to withstand harsh environments and ensure long-lasting performance. Our M6 fasteners adhere to standardized metric measurements with minimal error. The sharp, clean threads and deep cross heads ensure easy installation and efficient work, preventing slippage. Committed to your safety and the environment, this kit is made from non-poisonous carbon steel. It undergoes heat treatment for excellent ductility, hardness, and impact resistance, releasing no toxic substances. We've included self-locking nylon cable ties in this thoughtful package. They are perfect for organizing cords and wires in your home, office, or workshop, adding extra convenience to your setup. The design ensures that installation is straightforward. You can easily insert the screws by hand, making the mounting process quick and hassle-free for all your rack equipment needs. What we like. This kit offers exceptional versatility for all your rack mounting needs. It's constructed from high-quality carbon steel, ensuring durability and resistance to corrosion. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution that includes bonus cable ties for wire management, this is an excellent choice. What people say. These cage nuts and screws are a great addition to any server rack or network cabinet. The design is simple yet effective, making installation a breeze. They provide a secure and stable mounting solution for your equipment. Number 4. 60-pack M6X 16mm screws and cage nuts. Introducing our M6 screws and cage nuts, designed for effortless mounting of your rack-mountable equipment. They ensure a stable and secure fit for all your server rack and cabinet needs. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel with a black nickel plating, these fasteners are built for longevity. They resist rust for at least 15 years and feature a durable coating that won't peel. In low light, they appear a deep black, blending seamlessly with your rack. Under direct light, the nickel plating offers a subtle sheen, making them easy to spot and handle. Each package contains 60 screws, 60 cage nuts, and 60 washers, providing everything you need for your installation. They come conveniently packed in an eco-friendly, recyclable box. Join thousands of satisfied customers who have relied on our products since 2017. We stand behind their quality with a 10-year warranty, offering you peace of mind. What we like. Experience superior durability with these black nickel-plated cage nuts and screws, guaranteed rust-free for 15 years. Unlike zinc-coated options, the paint on these will not peel. If you prioritize long-lasting protection and a sleek black finish that won't chip, this is the set for you. What people say. The cage nuts and screws are made of durable stainless steel, ensuring they won't rust or corrode. The design of the cage nuts allows for easy installation and removal without the need for special tools. These cage nuts and screws are compatible with a wide range of server racks and equipment, making them a versatile choice. Number 3. Ripeng M6 Rack Mount Cage Nuts and Screws Set. This comprehensive kit includes 50 screws, 50 cage nuts, and 50 washers. It's perfect for mounting your server racks, cabinets, and enclosures, ensuring you have enough for all your needs. Crafted from durable stainless steel, these screws and nuts are built to last. The quality construction ensures a secure fit, protecting your equipment and extending its service life while preventing rust and corrosion. With their precise threads and smooth design, installation is a breeze. The M6 screws are easy to grip and install, saving you valuable time and effort during setup. Keep your hardware organized and secure with the included transparent plastic box. This practical packaging prevents loss and makes storage neat and convenient. These cage nuts and screws offer universal compatibility with most square hole racks and cabinets. They are ideal for a wide range of server rack hardware, providing a seamless installation experience. What we like. These rack mount screws and cage nuts are made from robust stainless steel, offering excellent strength and corrosion resistance. The smooth, clean threads ensure a hassle-free installation process. If you value ease of use and a material that stands up to the elements, this set is ideal. What people say. The cage nuts and screws are made of good quality metal and feel very sturdy. Installation was straightforward and the nuts held securely in place. The included screws were the correct size and thread pitch for standard rack mounting. Number 2. 50-pack M6 rack mount cage screws, nuts and washers. Experience precise installation with our M6 screws and cage nuts. They are manufactured to strict metric standards, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance every time. Built from premium carbon steel with a protective black nickel coating, these fasteners are designed to resist rust and oxidation. They offer dependable, long-term performance even in harsh conditions. Achieve a sleek, organized appearance in your cabinet. The black nickel finish seamlessly matches most rack systems for a professional look. These are perfect for server cabinets, rack shelves, and AV enclosures. They are compatible with all standard square-hole racks, providing secure installation hardware. This comprehensive set includes 50 cage nuts, 50 mounting screws, and 50 black washers. Everything comes conveniently packaged in a sturdy box for easy storage and organization. What we like. Achieve a clean and professional look in your server cabinet with these M6 screws and cage nuts. Manufactured to precise metric standards, they offer accurate fit and reliable performance. If a polished, organized aesthetic is important for your setup, these will deliver. What people say. These cage nuts and screws are made of good quality metal and feel very sturdy. The design of the cage nuts allows for easy installation and removal without damaging the equipment. The screws have a precise thread pitch, ensuring a secure and stable connection. Number 1. M6 Rack Mount Cage Nuts and Screws Kit. This kit provides 50 sets of essential rack mounting hardware. It includes screws, square cage nuts, and washers, perfect for all your server rack and cabinet needs. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these components are built to last. They are strong, reliable, and resistant to rust, ensuring a secure and long-lasting installation. Designed for ease of use, these screws and nuts feature clear threads and a smooth finish. Installation is quick and hassle-free, saving you valuable time and effort. Each set comes neatly organized in a transparent plastic box. This makes storage simple, prevents loss, and keeps your hardware readily accessible. These are compatible with most square-hole racks and cabinets. They are ideal for a wide range of server rack hardware, ensuring a great user experience. What we like. This kit provides sturdy, rust-proof stainless steel components, perfect for securing your equipment. The M6X 20mm length offers a slightly longer screw for potentially deeper mounting needs. If you need reliable, corrosion-resistant hardware with a bit more length and appreciate organized storage, consider this option. What people say. The cage nuts and screws are made of good quality metal. They fit perfectly into the server rack and hold equipment securely. The included screws are the correct size and thread for the cage nuts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.